Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you the ways on how can you fix iTunes does not detect or recognize suffer 4th gen on your Windows 11, or if the iTunes isn't recognizing your iPod suffers 4th gen on Windows 10 or 11, you could try these steps. Now, first of all, you could go with a basic check, that is, make sure that the iPod shuffle is turned on and has a sufficient charge as well. You could try using a USB cable and different USB port on your computer as well. Or else you could also try ensuring that the iPod is directly connected to the computer and not through a hub as well. You could try restarting both of your computer as well as iPod shuffle, and that should be able to help you out. If not, you could go with a software update. For that, you could update iTunes to the latest version, so simply uninstall it, or you could go to the browser and look for the latest version of it. And you could also try updating your Windows operating system and any Apple driver or software. The other way you could do it is open your device manager. Here, come to the search engine, and when you locate it, you want to search for service.mc. After you do it, what you want to do is you simply want to look for Apple device entire with error code or yellow exclamation mark here. If you find it, you could update the drivers that are uninstalled and reinstall it. That should be able to help you out. If not, you could also in the iTunes go to preferences, then go to playback and make sure the sound check is enabled. That should be able to help you out. So these are some of the ways to fix it. So now if all of these steps, you could then consider contacting Apple support for further assistance, especially if your iPod is very old model, as there might be compatibility issue as well. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.